Dr. Caffery here. Today I want to discuss with you hidden food reactions in autoimmunity, specifically as it relates to multiple sclerosis. So remember, multiple sclerosis is an autoimmune condition where your immune system is attacking your brain tissue. So this is taken from a study published in 2015. The title of the study is Detection of Antibodies. So antibodies are the way the immune system tags something as being foreign. So detection of antibodies against human and plant aquaporins. So aquaporins are specific types of proteins found in brain tissue as well as found in certain plant foods. So detection of antibodies against human and plant aquaporins in patients with multiple sclerosis. And this is from the study. We conclude that a subclass of patients with relapsing remitting multiple sclerosis, that's the most common type, reacts to both plant and human aquaporin 4 peptides. A peptide is simply a protein. So what they're saying is that a certain subclass of individuals with multiple sclerosis show reactions to both plant and human aquaporin proteins. This immune reaction against different plant aquaporins may help in the development of dietary modifications for patients with MS and other neuroimmune disorders. So what the thought was in this study is that these certain foodstuffs, these plants which contain these aquaporins, was cross-reactive with certain human or brain aquaporins. Cross-reactive means the amino acid structure or the building block structure was similar enough between these plant stuffs and the brain tissue that if one ate the food and the immune system reacted to that food, there was potential for that to cross-react with the brain tissue. So in certain subclasses of relapsing remitting multiple sclerosis, this aquaporin 4 appears to be a target site, or antibodies were shown to be present with this. So aquaporin 4 is a target site also in neuromyelitis optica. This might also be involved with optic neuritis. So certain types of brain autoimmune disorders, this might have implications. So this is taken from another study by the same author, and in this study he discusses and shows the similarity between these plant aquaporins and the human aquaporins. So what were the foods that were implicated in this? So the number 1 was soy, number 2 was corn, number 3 spinach, and number 4 tomato. So you see in this graphic here, you see that these amino acid sequences or these building block sequences were similar between these foods and these human brain proteins, such that there's potential for cross-reactivity or molecular mimicry. So in summary, if you or someone you know has some kind of neurological autoimmune disorder, specifically MS, neuromyelitis optica, or optic neuritis, you certainly want to consider that food reactivity, or specifically reactivity to soy, corn, spinach, tomato, might be playing a role in provoking or triggering the disease process. So you'd want to work with a qualified practitioner to help identify if this is taking place with you. I'm Dr. Caffery. Thank you for listening.